Okay, so Awesome 4K here is back once again with another unboxing here, people. I'm back, and this time around we're gonna be doing a unboxing of FMW's The Legend Dawns. This is very rare to see these sealed. I also got a few more that I need to unbox, which you'll see in the near future. But yeah, I have to give a huge shout out to Wrestling Rampage. Definitely check out their channel for the cool trade on these. Also, big thank you for Joey for hooking me up. Cool, man. So let's get into this unboxing, man. Here we go. We're gonna unbox this bad boy. He was able to pick them up for, like I was saying in my Wrestling Rampage package video, that he got these for pretty cheap. But hard to find. So, if the people ever get sick of watching WWE, which I do, I don't watch it that much, go over to YouTube, man, and check out some of this Japanese hardcore wrestling, because that stuff is really good. I think better than the WWE stuff. I watch this more than I do the WWE. I just love Japanese hardcore wrestling. So let's hell yeah, man. FMW The Legend Dawns. That's brand new. We got an insert there, which I'll get into in a minute. So we'll take a good look at the front. Warning, uncensored version. Let's take a look at the side here. Tokyo Pop. Let's take a look at the back. Heck yeah, man. This is a very cool. Got a running time of 100 minutes. Let's take a look at this insert. There's the matches. Wow, you got 8 matches on this bad boy. And you get a bonus match. That's cool. Let's take a look at the back. Available now on VHS and DVD. So not only do you get The Legend Dawns, you get King of Deathmatch, which I do need. I don't have King of Deathmatch, but I think that's on YouTube also. You got Crash and Burn. And you got Total Carnage. That's cool. Coming soon on VHS and DVD. That cover, actually, that Crash and Burn cover, that cover there looks different from the actual cover. I could be wrong on that, but I could have sworn like it was a little bit different than that. They might have changed that during production, though. That's interesting. I'll have to look that up. But yeah, it's too bad they went out of business, man. FMW, man, these guys are awesome, and I don't know who has the rights to these. The FMW catalog, but it'd be nice to see them put out every one on a DVD or even a Blu-ray box set or something like that. Would be so cool. But anyways, yeah, that's my unboxing of The Legend Dawns DVD. Stay tuned, because I will be doing, in the near future, we'll be seeing Torn to Shreds. So, I'll see y'all later. Have a good one.